Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Keeping It Kyra. Today I'm going to be showing you how I flat iron my hair. My hair straighten is about like above my shoulder, but still curly hair is a hassle to take care of, style, maintain, and keep healthy. Like, it is just a mess. And I would say about 2 years ago I actually chopped off my hair, like, just straight shaved it. I had short hair all my life, but I had so much heat damage, so I just decided just to cut it myself. I cut my hair myself. It wasn't a bad job for me doing it, but it was kind of bad. So I went to a salon and they just shaved it off, and then I started fresh. I started new, and then my hair grew out, as you can see, but now I just don't have time and I don't feel like taking care of it, and I'm not a person to get my hair done, every week, because one, I'm a college student and I don't have that type of money, and three, I'm lazy and that's just a lot of work. And also, I cannot keep protective hairstyles in for longer than a day actually. If I could, I would love to, because they just save your hair a lot, but I just don't like all that hair. It looks so pretty. I wish I could, but I really just can't. But today I'm going to be showing you how and what I put in my hair to flat iron it. One, I would like to say that I am not an expert on hair at all. I am probably the least person to ask about hair tips, what you should do or what you should use, but I just feel like there's someone out there just like me that has no idea what they're doing with their hair and probably doing way more damage than good. Okay, so I just want to show you guys what I do, and then if you guys have any tips or advice that I could use, please send them to me, because as you can see, my hair is damaging. My hair was very pretty after I chopped it off. I started new, and then it went back to this, and as you can see, my hat head is terrible. So I wake up, I stick my head under the sink, I stick up in a bun, and I go to work. When I come home, it's a bun. So it's a mess, and I don't even know if I want to even show you guys what it looks like outside this ponytail. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get in the shower, show you guys my shampoo, my conditioner, my leave-in conditioner, my comb or my detangling brush, and then we're gonna flat iron after, and then let you guys see the final product. I will say that I do need a trim. I know, but my hairstylist is booked out for like weeks. She's just booked out weeks. So I know if I book it now, I'm like, okay, I'll book it in 3 weeks. I'll see you in 3 weeks, and I'll just, one, probably not show up, or two, just forget about it. So I'm gonna wait until she slows down, and then I'll go get my hair, which is so bad. But I'm gonna go ahead and get in the shower. Be right back. The first product I use is Creme of Nature Mango and Shea Butter. It is the Ultra Moisturizing Shampoo. The second product I use is Garnier Fructis Curl Nourish, and that is for frizz resistant curls. Perfect. As you can see, I prefer to use a separate shampoo from my conditioner, just because the shampoo with the Garnier Fructis Curl Nourish, it made my hair feel kind of dry and sticky at the same time, so I just decided to break it up the products. But I definitely recommend the conditioner for the Garnier Fructis, because you can see how loosened my curls got. Excuse my dancing, I don't even know what song was on. The next step is detangling. I just use a basic detangling brush. And I just like to start from the back and work my way up, section by section. And I use the Aussie Deep Conditioner 3-Minute Miracle. I like to detangle after every step so the product can get as close to my roots as possible. Alright, and I am out the shower. I put a t-shirt over my head instead of a towel because the material of the towel makes your hair frizzy. My leave-in conditioner is just the second part of the Cream of Nature that was to the shampoo. And after all that is rubbed in, I just section my hair off, starting from the bottom. Now we're here. I detangle my hair with the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Coil Calm Detangler. To protect my hair from heat damage, I use the Cantu Shea Butter Thermal Shield Heat Protector. And then I continue to repeat the steps, sectioning the hair and applying the same products. And after my hair is completely dry, I use the Fantasia Frizz Buster. And then section by section, I flat iron my hair, trying to get as close to the roots as possible to prevent curly frizziness. And a trick to hide your dead ends is to just tuck under your hair, which is bad, but gotta do what you gotta do. And then again, after each section, just repeating the steps. And now that I'm done flat ironing my hair, I just use a toothbrush to brush down my edges with some gel. Alright, and that concludes today's video on how I transform my curly hair to straight wavy hair. This is how I style it. It took me a very long time, but I am actually done. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for weekly videos.